What's going on, guys? This is Dr. Shah, your go-to resource for medicine, nutrition, and fitness to help you improve your quality of life. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the major question: how do you really lose weight? So let's get into it. So before we dig in, I want to really quickly explain how weight loss works. There's a concept called energy in, energy out balance. This is where the body requires a certain amount of energy to sustain our current body weight, and that differs based on someone's body composition. Someone with more muscle might need more energy to sustain that weight, and someone who is more sedentary might need less energy to sustain that weight. But the ultimate rule comes down to, if your body's burning more calories than you're ingesting, your body will be forced to lose weight. And it goes the same way in the opposite direction. So if your body's ingesting more calories than you're burning, your body is essentially going to be gaining weight. Now, unless you have some metabolic condition which affects a very rare population and affects your metabolism, this energy balance equation that I just described is pretty much consistent for each and every individual. So now the main question: how the heck do you lose weight, doc? So now it comes back to the balance equation that I described before. Once you put your body in a state of burning more energy than you're ingesting, you are more likely to lose weight. So how do you do that? Number one, increase your daily activity. Walk more. I encourage all my patients to walk whenever they get a chance, from taking the cab to simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator. This will help you burn more calories throughout the day and increase your chances of losing weight. Number two, strength train. I can't stress this enough. If you want to lose weight effectively and keep it off, you have to build solid muscle on your frame. I've seen time and time again that people losing a lot of weight in a short amount of time strictly from doing hours of cardio without any strength training, and they lose weight really quickly. But what happens after? Most of them gain it back because they don't have the muscle to keep the weight off. Having muscle on your body is a cheat code. It'll not only speed up your metabolism, but it will speed up your fat loss, and is beneficial for your overall health, for your bones, for your mental well-being, for the performance, for your overall longevity. If you are in your weight loss journey, make sure you're strength training at least twice a week for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. Number three, calorie restriction. As simple as eating less food will put your body in a caloric deficit and forcing your body to lose weight. But keep this in mind: calorie restriction doesn't have to be necessarily completely eliminating your foods that you love. It's more about portion control, keeping a tally of your calories, whether you're using an app called MyFitnessPal. Here's the trick: you want to continue to enjoy eating your favorite foods with the mindset of slightly eating less. In fact, research has shown that people who are more flexible in their approach of eating, meaning they ate healthy for the most part but also indulged in their favorite foods, they saw better weight loss patterns and also better adherence to the program compared to people who were on a severely restricted diet. The later group actually admitted to binge eating way more. Number four, in your diet, prioritize protein. Protein is not only satisfying, but it will also help repair the muscles from your strength training for the purpose of getting stronger. I always recommend 0.6 to 1 gram per body weight if you're trying to build muscle on your frame. So there you have it. If you're following these protocols, you are on your way to losing weight, building muscle, and just transforming your whole physique for good. Keep this in mind. Enjoy the process. When we get so caught up in the end goal and the vision, and we tend to lose the joys that come with this process in its current state. So I applaud you if you're starting your journey right now. If you guys want me to answer any other question in relation to your weight loss journey, drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.